Hi everyone, today I'm going to share how I created this guava tree using mesh spine system. So with this mesh spine system, we can rig our mesh with spine and branch of like geometry together, and we can get individual result for it. So let's start from the beginning. So I'll start from the beginning. I'll take a trunk tube, and from a spine I'll make it 9 feet. From a skin tab I'll reduce the radius, double click here, create a node, and select base. From the spine tab I'll add some letter mount, spine. From branch I'll add big branches. From generation add some frequency, that's fine. Start anchor. Here somewhere long, so by pressing tab we can reduce the length or increase the length individually. So now I'll reduce some polygon from this, select the segment and reduce the absolute relative length. So you can see it's getting reduced to 7. I'll keep it as this, 2.9K. So with this one, add material. Now I need the normal nut too. I'll add the normal nut also. So here I'll increase the normal contrast. Okay, for the moment it's fine. So for this leaf I used that mesh and I created the texture here, base and opacity and normal and glows. So I'll assign the texture. So first of all I'll click the big branch, add some more branches here. Select the generation and change the position a little down. From a spine starting. Okay, that would be fine for the moment. And reduce the segment to relative amount, reduce the relative amount up to here. Now I will add the mesh leaf which I already have created. Select the mesh and by clicking this button so here is my leaf mesh. This is my leaf mesh, and then I have to assign the material on it. So select the material again, click this plus button and add that material which I have already created here, texture. So here I will add the material to the leaf set. So that is done. Our mesh is there and it has to be wiped up. Now select this big branch, add leaf, go to generation, increase the number. Now select the leaf, go to material, add the leaf material. So here you can see those leaves are some. So now I have to increase the size. So you can increase the size according to your need or according to the reference. And now orient this. Select the material, settings, click that two side. Okay, I'm showing quickly. So now I need to add some fruits on it. So for fruits, what I'll do is add the select the big branches and then add some more small branches here. Little branches or yeah. So here also I'll reduce the polygon by selecting the segment and relative amount. Okay, 2000 will be fine. Little branches. Now I'll go to mesh again and I'll assign that guava mesh I have created. And I'll go to material, assign that guava material too. Here. Okay. So now this material I'll assign to the guava mesh. So here what I have to do is again I will add leaf on little branches and from generation I'll get a classic. It has or absolute. Okay, so here little branch we have 3, count 3, so we'll reduce to 1. So now we'll get in one branch we'll get 1 leaf. So that guava mesh we can add on this leaf. So select this leaf and then go to material and add that guava mesh. This is the mesh. From skin tab you can reduce the size. Like as much as you want to keep, you can reduce it. So now the thing I'm going to show is like how we create that mesh spline system. So now when you add the wind, you can see the difference. When you add the wind, it works like this, like all works the same way. Like whole tree is working together. So what we want is we want individual branches should react individually. So that thing we have to do. For that, first of all, I'm selecting this trunk tube, or even without selecting that also you can do that. Click right button and add mesh helper. So here you can see S and E. So S means start and E is end. So here we can do is select the S, then press T, and click where you want to start. So I want to start from here. I'm clicking here. So add SS, come here. So now where you want to end, you can click there. Press the E and select the end from the same trunk tube by pressing T. So it will be there. So now it's just straight line. So what you have to do is we have to set the point sequence. You have to click set the point sequence. Now you can see this, our point sequence is on. So now we have to click wherever we want to set it on the same mesh. Ctrl Z. If you do some mistake, you can Ctrl Z by mistake if you click somewhere else. So now here. I'm showing quickly, otherwise video will be really long. Okay, so we have our spline. So we have to send that spline to the mesh. We have to add with the mesh. What you have to do is we have this spline and now click this send spline. After sending the spine, you have to click to the mesh where you want to, which mesh you want that spine. So we are clicking here. So now you can see this red color spine. So our mesh has been set. So if you want the same thing to every branch, we can just copy and do that, or else we can just again add a new mesh helper. Same way, start, press T and start here and press E and press the end by pressing T. And again set the point sequence and then add the point. And yeah, be careful and set the point. Okay, now we can send the spine to mesh. After sending that, click here. It has been. So now we have, you can see one spine we have created on the trunk tube, in the trunk tube, another is big branch. So if you want other branch also to work the same way, we can do the same spine, we can create everywhere. So that option will come now. So again we want to add the spine. So select the S by pressing T, select to that branch and pressing E by select the E and by pressing T select the end. Now I can set the point and add the point. Okay, now send spine. Now when you click here, we'll get two options. Here, spine 2, that means this one. This is spine we have created, this one, or else we can create new generator to act differently. So in this case, I will add to spine 2. So that's how we can just create all. Select S, press T, add, select E, press T, and add set point. Send spine. Again we will get that. I will add in the spine 2. So these branches will act like similar. So now if you do the test, wing test, you can see. So here you can see this one is acting separately and these other. So here we have two. If you want the second one act like fruits and first one is needle. So you can see the difference now. So that's how we just can add all the spine wherever the branch we want. So I will add another one here, this one, and press E. By pressing T, that one, and set the sequence, point sequence. Oh, Control Z. And now add a spine. And now this one I'm just adding the knee generator just to check how it works. Go to wing and now enough. So you can see the difference. And here you can see like almost 29,000 polygon. If you want, you can reduce it because we have only leaves only 7,000 polygons. So from here we can reduce 2,000, 8,000. This one we can reduce. Or else if you need, you can hide even. In this one, if you want, you can even hide because it's not visible. So when you hide it, it's 24. So that's how I created this one. I hope you like it. Here I have added all the like almost every branch I added individual spine. This one you can even use for fruits individually. You can create the movement, and if you create individual leaves, that also possible. Thanks for watching.